still here at Birgit's guest house. Pascal, our friend who's following us, is very sick. This morning we've taken him to a doctor in Rashida. Grace of Mohammed and his family, they telephoned ahead and we were able to go straight in without waiting in the waiting room. Poor Pascal has picked up a stomach bug from eating something here, so he's got 10 days of antibiotics and other things to swallow. But in the meantime, he's taking a profit. He's getting his vehicle serviced, some electrical problems being sorted. So we're going to stay here for another day, and we're enjoying the company of Mohammed, Birgit and her family. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens later on today. Oh, by the way, it's raining. We're near the Sahara Desert and it's raining. So we fixed, I said we, it's the mechanic. He's fixed the problem with the rev counter and the speedometer. There was a bad connection on the gearbox, and if you can see the wheel, what he has done, he's jacked it up and put it in gear, got the wheel spinning. You can see the black lines on there, and then we can see everything was working correctly. Now he's trying to fix the horn. The horn is not working, his air conditioner is not working, so we're trying to get that fixed now. But these guys are very clever, so we'll let them get on with it. One thing I learned today, he took the dipstick out to check the oil, because our friend wants it changing, and he wipes some from the dipstick on the back of his hand, rubs it on his hand, and he said no, the oil's okay. So they got their way of checking things. Okay, so we're not being arnacked, we're not being cheated. They're very fair people. I put you on film. No problem. Your name? Mohammed?
Ahmed.
Abdel. No. Hamid. So we've got Hamid here, who's rewiring the horn for Pascal's old baby. I found a piece of housing wire. He stripped it. Now he's rewrapping it in insulation tape. I tell you, these guys are real bricoleurs.